Okay, so here's the tank that we took out of the Morris Minor, and it turns out the local radiator shop no longer has a hot tank for boiling out, and I have to go across town to do it. And if you boil it out, it removes any kind of anti-rust treatment or anything like that inside the tank. And you know, I thought I'm going to try something else. I'm going to try cleaning out the tank. So what I've done is I've washed the tank out with water, removed any of the loose particles, and I'm going to try to dissolve the remaining tar using water and heat, which I'm getting by having this out in the sun on a particularly hot day, and then adding something we have over here in the States called OxiClean. And OxiClean you add to the water. It's meant to boost cleaning clothes and cleaning around the house, but it really is a tremendously versatile substance, and it can work to dissolve some of the tar stains, tar deposits and things like that in gas tanks. So we're going to try that. We're going to seal up the outlet to the tank. We're going to have it in the sun. We're going to add copious amounts of OxiClean. Typically use 1 or 2 scoops per gallon. This is about a 6-gallon tank here. And then we're going to let it sit here and get really hot as the sun bakes down on this black tank over the course of a day. And it is going to be a warm day here in Southern California, high 80s, maybe the low 90s. And we'll see what happens. We'll take a look inside once we get done that treatment. It's kind of amazing watching this do its thing, and obviously it's eating into those tar deposits, and we see it getting all over the inside of the tank here, coming out here. That's by far the highest point in the tank, so we can assume we're getting pretty good coverage from this. I use the same mixing ratio as you would for hard surfaces, not for laundry. So you're going to use quite a few scoops in there. And as I say, this is now heating up. We would expect this reaction to be getting even better. Wear your safety goggles and gloves and things like that. And again, this is a household laundry additive. And we're going to see how this all works out. Okay, so this is what the tank looks like inside after the treatment with the OxiClean. Agitated it, kept it hot, let it get down halfway, and then really shook it up good. Dumped it out, very, very dark looking. It had lots of floating chunks of stuff. Then I added water, shook it more, able to get all the other stuff out. Now it doesn't, seems to be pretty light, fairly clean inside there. Baffles look pretty clean, and so it seemed to have done a pretty good job for me on getting this clean, and saved me some money for having to tank it or to buy a brand new one. So I'm pretty happy with that. That's the little plug at the bottom that you can see there. By the way, the metal looks really great inside here. Looks really, really nice inside here. Now the other thing I want to do is, there's the fuel outlet. That goes down through a tube to sort of a little filter that's right down around here. And I blew that out when I started. I'm going to blow it out again to make sure that that's clear, that that's not clogged. Because of course if it's clogged, none of this is going to be any good. So I'm just going to use some compressed air, put it in here. And you can hear that coming nicely through there. Perhaps not the most pleasant job in restoring a car, but there's something sort of satisfying when the old undercoating peels off in big layers as you scrape away at it. And the tank looks pretty good underneath. A few little spots where the undercoating was broken open with minor surface rust, but should be able to get this stripped down and primed and painted a nice glossy black, and back in the car, good as new pretty much. before putting the Morris Minor fuel tank away for storage while I work on the rest of the car, I very liberally sprayed the inside of this thing and fogged it with this fogging oil, which is really great for keeping flash rust off stuff like this, or your engine when the head's off and you want to keep the cylinders and everything else clear of any kind of flash rust or corrosion. I find it very useful. Sprayed it in all over the place inside here, and also sprayed it inside the tube that goes to the little filter inside and feeds your fuel line. And so hopefully that's going to keep us free from any kind of flash rust anywhere in the inside of that while we work away on the rest of the car. And eventually, of course, we'll refinish this tank, and I think it's going to be just great.